What do you picture when you think of a volcano? A mountain of fire spewing molten rock and ash. Right. It sounds like the last place on Earth you'd expect to find life. But what if I told you that volcanoes are actually teeming with life in places you would never imagine? It's true. Let's dive into the surprising world of extremophiles, the toughest creatures on our planet. First, let's get one thing straight. You won't find fish swimming in a lava lake. The inside of an active volcano, where the magma chamber is way too hot for any life as we know it. We're talking temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. But the slopes and surrounding areas of a volcano, that's a different story. These environments are extreme, with toxic gases, acidic soil, and fluctuating temperatures. But for some organisms, it's the perfect home. These incredible life forms are called extremophiles, which literally means lovers of extremes. Let's start with the smallest ones, microbes. Bacteria and archaea are the undisputed kings and queens of volcanic survival, deep within hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, which are essentially underwater volcanoes. Entire ecosystems thrive. Here, instead of using sunlight for energy like plants, these microbes perform a process called chemosynthesis. They convert chemicals like hydrogen sulfide, that rotten egg smells, spewing from the vents into energy. These microbes form the base of a unique food chain, supporting strange creatures like giant tube worms, crabs, and shrimp, all living in total darkness and under immense pressure. On land, the story is just as fascinating. Take a look at the slopes of Mount Claudia in Hawaii or Stromboli in Italy. The ground is warm and steam rises from cracks in the earth. In these seemingly barren landscapes, scientists have found mats of colorful bacteria. Some of these microbes can literally eat volcanic rock, breaking down minerals to get the nutrients they need. Others thrive in pools of water that are as acidic as battery acid. They have special adaptations in their cells that protect them from being dissolved. These microbial communities are like tiny hidden cities, pioneering life in a world of fire and brimstone. But it's not just microbes. As you move away from the most intense heat and chemical zones, more complex life starts to appear. Hardy mosses and lichens are often the first to colonize new lava flows once they cool. They cling to the rock, slowly breaking it down and creating the very first traces of soil. A fantastic example is the J.E. Alehua tree in Hawaii. This plant is a true volcanic pioneer. It's often the first tree to grow on fresh lava fields. Its beautiful red blossoms a stark contrast to the black volcanic rock. Its seeds are tiny and can travel long distances on the wind, finding a foothold in the smallest cracks. And where there are plants, animals will follow. Insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates are quick to move in, feeding on the plants and each other. You might find species like the weku bug on Mauna Kea in Hawaii, which has a special kind of antifreeze in its blood to survive the freezing nighttime temperatures at high altitudes. It lives near the summit, feeding on other insects that are blown up the mountain and die from the cold. Birds also make their homes on volcanoes, nesting on cliffs and feeding on the insects and seeds available. Larger animals might be rarer, but creatures like the Andean flamingo breed in the highly alkaline volcanic lakes of South America, feasting on the algae that thrive there. So, while the heart of a volcano is a molten, lifeless furnace, its slopes and surroundings are a testament to the incredible resilience of life. From microbes that eat toxic gas to flowers that bloom on black rock, volcanoes are not just forces of destruction, they are also cradles of creation. They show us that life can find a way to flourish in the most unlikely and extreme corners of our world. It's a powerful reminder of how adaptable and tenacious nature truly is. Thanks for watching. If you found this as amazing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet.